What's up, guys? Hey, look, more shit. But, today I'm gonna be playing, Pressure. And I had a couple test runs, made sure it was worth playing a little, game on it. The best I did was, like, a little... I got, like, 20 doors down. It's basically exactly like Doors, but different, I guess. Difference in some ways. I also found this. I can't wait to use this thing like a gun and then be completely ineffective and then get my spinal cord ripped out. Because that sounds very possible. Very possible right now. I could be missing my everything. I'd like to get the hell out of here. Thank you. Wham, 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 wham. But this is kind of easy because I played Doors before, so Doors. Once you get everything down, it's pretty easy. Once you know everything that's coming at you, you can cook them easily. But for me, I only know the bare minimum of what I'm heading myself into. So I'm gonna hope for the best that I don't get my spine replaced. I know that a couple things can happen, like there could be multiple doors, and that there's some eye thing that can jump you, and some weird ghost shit can, like some ghost squids can, like, give you hepatitis C and eat your liver if you don't turn off your light and look away from them or something. I wonder why they all abandoned this facility. Did you guys tell why they abandoned the facility? And it's almost like a... You dick cheese. That was just funny. Put the thing in the thing, wait 5 eons, let's go. Why not? Why not? Probably. Yeah, you also can't jump for some reason. My space bar makes me crouch. Which is, not, oh my god, the fucking E mechanic is gonna give me fucking aneurysm. There's 213 doors. What to do about this information? Okay, just music, so we can be fine, right? And there's also this Rush ripoff. Also, there's some text that randomly shows up. I don't know what the hell they're yapping about. I saw its eye for a second. Fucking opposite screeches. I guess you fucked this room up. Wait, I was just in room 13. Why is it going to 15? This seems suspicious. Alright. It says 14 there. Are the numbers just wrong sometimes? Can I not go in the water? I don't think I have diving equipment. Could I? Nope. Alright. Oh, I do have diving equipment up my ass. Alright, nice. Let's keep going. And space actually makes me go up. Like it should do. That's great. Hello. Actually, I should be looking for things now that I think about it. These water rooms probably have something good. Right? Yoink. Something. Come on. Scissors? Why can't I use that? I could, like, shove it in a squid or something. I don't know. Like, make a squid choke on it or something. I'm sure that there's other things, like a camera monster or something. I don't fucking know. It's like they just lifted up the tile thing, and oh, underwater the thing's gonna come after me? Did it work? Am I Gucci? I can't tell because I can't see. I can't see. There we go. There's 24, 24, and locked. Okay. That's fine by me. I got all the time. And is that a... Oh my god, it's a... Trix top. It's a Trix top. Look at these side rooms. Do you have good shit in here? You have money, I guess. Do you have good? You got the goods. You got that good kush in here? Got that good kush and alcohol? Come on. Fuck a man up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hook a doodle up. Needs a key card? They both need key cards. Sounds do you make? No sounds. We should be fine. It made some sounds. Oh, ow.
No. I meant the other door. I'm really sorry.
Shut up, you AI weird bitch or whatever. I don't know even who that was. Fucking hurt like balls, though. Oh, didn't have any sword in hand. Why do you apologize, though? Like he led me there. Blood is goofing. Am I eating all this information? Where am I storing this? I have 640. Where is this being stored? Up my ass? Jesus Christ, where is all this stuff going? I don't trust you. Get up. Oh. You suck. Yeah, that's the eye thing. It like grabs my screen and pulls me. I don't like that. Is there anything in this locker? No, we good. Time to walk aimlessly in the... Hi, fellas! You wouldn't mind me just walking by, would you? That's a thing in the thing. Just gonna follow the ground. Follow the ground. Timeless tactic. Can I have band-aids, please? Or like a wrench to shove up my... God damn it. Do you make sounds? What sounds do you make? That made growling sounds. Nope. Nah. Incorrect. I'm gonna check this one. Sounds fine enough. Please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't. Huh. Where is Zy exit? Zy exit is over here, I think. Or am I walking backwards? I'm walking backwards. That's a gun.
Check out what I got.
I don't want to check out what you got. You have a... What the fuck was that? They're in the walls. I should probably have this out more often. The hell was that? At least it lights the way, at least. So... Plan is... Alright, alright. I think I know... Well, what caliber is this bitch? That's gonna be at least like a 90 caliber something. That's powerful. Alright, alright, alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, God. Oh, God!
You're boring.
How about you shut up, you AI dick shit? I'm paranoid. Wow! I'm paranoid, I'm paranoid, I'm paranoid. Let me out, let me out, let me out, let me out, let me out. I don't like the in the walls thing. Oh, I'm paranoid. I'm paranoid as balls. Oh, where's the stuff? Where's the stuff? I'm looking everywhere. I'm looking everywhere. Get away from me. Is there other drawers? It's just stuff. Stuff, question mark. Let me in here. Let me in here. I don't like it. I don't like the in the walls thing. I don't like it when things are behind me. I didn't like those sounds. Key card. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Please, for the love of God, get me in light. Get me in light. Oh, thank God. Oh, I hate the dark. I hate that they're in the walls. Oh, except that they're in the walls. Oh, fuck you. Flash. Don't know what that was. Flash. Let me through. Let me through. Let me through. Let me through. Okay, this is a safe space. Please, something. Hi. Something to mend my broken everything. Ooh, stops. 37, that's fine. At least I am not dead. This is farther than I've ever gone before, and I don't remember seeing those wall things anywhere. And that shit freaked me out. Oh, I hate it. I hate it that things can be behind me when I'm not looking. Oh, I fucking hate it. I despise it. It's fucking one of my fears that something's always behind me, breathing down my fucking neck. Locker. Is this safe? Yeah, it's safe. That was a different sound. I'm getting a lot of achievements just by existing. Oh. I really hate the wall thing. Oh. Oh, now I got the goosebumps, bro. I got the chills. I'm spooked. Is that a key card, bro? Yeah, that's a key card. Gotta check if there's anything good. For some reason, I like being in these little corners. What do? I'm hiding in the corner. The lights flickered. Hide in the corner like a pussy worked. Oh god, who knew being a bitch worked? Please be an easy door. Please be an easy door. I don't like that thing's gonna be behind me. Oh, let me out, let me out, let me out, let me out, let me out. Fuck it. Let's try it. Fuck, I'm dead. Ow. My skull. It has been
hold on. Where is it? Here we go.
Yeah, I've also seen this dude, like, once or twice or something. I don't remember him too often. Good people? He doesn't look like a very good person, that's all I'm saying. Also, is that the XD or something? What the fuck? If they display the same number, listen for breathing, growling. Yeah, alright. I probably should have listened before.
Maybe
I got
double
this
check next time before just opening random doors.
Shut up. I was spookled from the wall, bitches. And what the hell? That is not what I saw in the picture. Look at that. That doesn't look... There's two of them in there? I only got hit by one. What? What? That does not look like what I got hit by. Alright. Oh, I get 42 crones? Or whatever. Yeah, this art reminds me of the little music I listen to called Search Party. I have 145, so I guess I could get a flashlight. Alright, I'm gonna check how long I've been in this recording. 17 minutes. Wait, did it show my shit? No, we good. Alright, I think that's gonna be the end of that. I'll probably play some more pressure when I'm not under pressure. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm yapping about? You know what I'm yapping about? Alright. I gotta go because someone gave my Charizard a shotgun again, so I'll see you guys next time.